If you're serious and want to make money online, you need to stop wasting your time on the online micro job like online survey, watching videos, app downloads, and that stuff. These things is a waste of time. It's not your fault. All of us, when we were starting, we were lured into those times. One, we were searching for how to make money online. We first sit on our PC, on our phone, then we go out there, go to YouTube straightforward, search for how to make money online. You will see a lot of videos. All that they talks about it and downloading app, about watching videos, about online service, but people who are making those videos, they are not doing it, they are not practicing it, but they just show it out for you to watch it and they get more views and other stuff and make money from it. And if you want to make money online, there are things that you need to also make sure you focus on. One, have a skill. If you have a skill and put that skill and make it viable to people, that will help you make money online. For what experience I've been experienced for a long while, and I found out that having a skills or online skills that will help you bring value or results to something helps you make money online. Through my journey, found out this 8 method that have helped me and I'm still earning on the internet. So I'm going to show you the 8 high value skills that you need to make sure you start learning it. If you haven't started that one of it, you will also start earning on the internet. So without wasting my time, let me jump. My first point is what content or video content creating. Video content creating is now a valuable asset that many people have jumped into it. Why? Because they have known the value of it. You are creating a content on the internet like videos and other stuff. You can post it on so many platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. If you get people viewing your content, you make money from it. If you haven't reached the requirement for monetization, you can still make money on it. So I will break everything down step by step. Maybe you are camera shy, don't worry, you can do a faceless channel or you can do automation channel. That one, you don't need to sit on camera like what I'm doing here. You just sit on your microphone, talk about what you want to talk about or you want to vlog about, then you post it out. Whilst you are keeping on posting and people are watching your video, you get more view from it. So once you are getting more view, if you reach the requirement for monetization, you apply it, then you make money on it. YouTube is doing it, Facebook is doing it, a lot of platforms are doing it, so you can do it and make money from it. The second one on my list is what paid advertising. We have a lot of advertising platforms and we have many people who are looking for people to run their ads for them. So you can learn about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, and YouTube ads. These 4 ads, if you sit down and learn it, you'll not go broke. Because as I'm talking now, I'm a content creator. I create videos about online advertising, how to use the Facebook ads and other stuff. Once I'm doing it, I have the skills of running ads. So I've turned that one to content creating, teaching people how they can run these ads on Facebook. When I reach the monetization level and I apply it, I'll make money from it. Once I'm doing that, I'm also running ads for clients, for people, for customers and that, and they are paying me for running the ads for them. So you have these skills, you can now have turn one skills into 2 income system. That means YouTube will pay me when I reach the monetization system, and also I make money for creating ads for people. And I'm also giving out my knowledge or the skills that I have. I'm giving that knowledge to people like you watching it. So you get from it, I get from it, everybody will earn from it. So you have these skills, you can turn it and make money from it. So online advertising is a very good thing that you need to study it and earn from it. If you want to study it, I have a full video that you can check it out. It's a 50-minute video that you need to sit down, learn it step by step, then you can also try it and make money from it. The third on my list is web develop. Don't think of code and other stuff. We have a platform like WordPress. You can learn WordPress, how you can create a website for people. Now creating an ad, person need to have a website or a landing page. So if you have the skills of creating this website, you can do it for people and make money from it. If you don't have money to start with and learn for the WordPress, you can use Google Blog and start learning it step by step, know how to start doing it. You can go to YouTube, search for how to create a WordPress account or a WordPress website. You find a video, you study it. If you have the knowledge of all these stuff, you can go to a website like Upwork and Fiverr, search for people, you create this website for them, then you earn money from it. If you are still doing it, you can improve by learning the coding stuff to it, then you make money from it. So website development is now a high paying job or skills. The next stuff is digital content creating. That's why I say video content creating. This one is digital content creating. When we talk of digital content creating, there are content that you create about, send it to. As for me, I know how to create Facebook ads. So I've created a PDF files that teach people on how to create Facebook ads. I have a full Facebook ad video that teach people how to create such content. So I sell this art to people because the skill, one skills I've learned it. Now see how I'm now turning it to. Okay, so you can learn about a skill, create a PDF file about it, create a ebook about it, sell it to people, you make money from it. So learning how to create a PDF is also a very good stuff so that you can learn it and create PDF file for people, create the skills that you have, you create it for them, then you send it to people. Through that, you can become a copywriter, can become a ghostwriter, writing content for people, sell it to them. We have a lot of platform that you can go out there, find a ghostwriting skill, gig, and then you write for them, you make money from them. So if you know how to use ChatGPT to give the it command and other stuff, you can run your own PDF, you sell it out. We have a platform like Teachable. You can go out there, sell your ebook there, sells your skills there, you make money from it. One PDF can earn you a lot of money, because if you create it, it's because it is a digital stuff. They will just need what, download it. When they download it, pay you, you earn your money. Whilst you are asleep, people are still buying your PDF file. The number 5 on my list is what, audience groups. Audience group. Now we have social media platform, a lot of social media platform, and people are looking for people who can grow social media platform. Like if you are good in YouTube, in TikTok and that stuff, you can grow a lot of audience. Now if you get a maximum audience who are following you, love your content and that stuff, you can start advertising your own products to those people. You can start selling your PDF files, you can start selling your physical product, you can start getting gigs from companies to run ads on your platform for them. So if you're good in growing such content, it's very good for you, because if you get to the level that you grow your channel or your page and other stuff and reach the monetization level, you earn money from it. Or you can take it like you grow the page or the channel. When you reach that some certain level, you sell it out to people. When they buy it, you make money from it. So yours is that you grow the page or you grow the channel. When it grows to the certain level, then you sell it to people. So page growth is also very, very important. It's also a good skill that you can or to learn it and make money from it. The number 6 on my list is sales. When we talk of page growth, come to sales. If you are someone who have the ideas or the skills of a marketing product, selling product, you can use that one to sell a lot of products to people and make money from it. If you are in Ghana, we have a platform called Jumia G4. If you join that platform, you can get a product from those platform. You sell this product in your platform, get people, when they buy it, you earn commission from it. Okay, so if you are good in sales, selling product and other stuff, you can reach out to brands and companies, then you advertise, do a sales for them, you make money from it. The 7th one is what, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very good skills that every individual on the internet space need to learn it. If I haven't start learning it. How does it work? It works in a way that you go to the affiliate platform, subscribe to the platform, get your unique link, choose a product that you want to sell, promote that product to your people. When they buy the product, you make money or you earn commission from it. That's affiliate marketing. Your is what, promote the product. So if you look at how I started it, one skills can earn you from all these stuff. So if you are someone who have grown your online presence, you can use that platform to join an affiliate platform, then you sell the product for them. But before you can do that, you need to make sure you understand how the affiliate platform works, how the affiliate marketing works. Okay, so if you want to learn all this stuff, let me know in the comment section so that I'll create a full video about that one, how you can use the affiliate platform and make money from it. So you learn about it, get in the knowledge, choose a platform that your audience will like it or love it, you promote your product for them, then you make money from it. We have a platform like Amazon associate programs, ClickBank. We have a lot of affiliate programs that you can join. My last one is AI generation. Now AI has come to, maybe you don't know how to code, but you can use an AI and platform to do a lot of stuff on the internet. If you take ChatGPT, for example, this is a command-based platform that anything that you give to it, then it gives you a result. So any question that you ask ChatGPT, it gives you an answer. So you can use that one, ask a question about a skills that you have knowledge about it, write an ebook for it, ask ChatGPT to give you an understanding of what you don't understand. It will explain everything for you. You create your own ebook, you create your own PDF, you create your own tutorial platform, then you teach people and then you make money from it. So AI has come to stay. You can use it to do a visual art, other stars. So pick one of these 8 programs or 8 skills that I've mentioned. Pick one of it, learn about it, and start earning money. And next video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT make money online. If you are watching this video to this far and you haven't subscribed to this channel, the way I've take my time explain everything, this is how I do my video. I don't rush. I take my time, explain everything step by step. So if you love my videos and that stuff, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.